Happy Wednesday. I'm at the Music Monastery and just wanted to share that I'm leaving the compound for a very special event that Danielle and I do over at Hot Yoga Nashville, Emily's studio on Charlotte Avenue. We do a yin and sacred sound fusion. And Danielle is a very, very amazing yoga instructor. She's trauma informed, and I enjoy playing music, creating soundscapes to the yin. I bring 7 crystal bowls, a harmonium, chimes, rain stick, didgeridoo sometimes. Just depends on what I'm feeling for the day. Let my intuition guide me. So if you're around on Saturday, 3:30 to 4:45, there's a 75-minute yin and sacred sound class over at Hot Yoga Nashville. Join us. You book through the studio itself, but if you want the link, you can just go to sha615.org. It's linked there. And it's $30 a person. It's on Charlotte Avenue, across from the turnip truck. Ciao for now.